Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe. We'll be seeing how to make restaurant like dal tadka at home. To prepare this recipe, the lentils which we would require would be half cup of masoor dal, 1/4 cup of tur dal, 1/4 cup of moong dal. Now transfer all the lentils into a bowl and add 2 cup of water into it and wash this minimum for 2 to 3 times. Now soak this mixture for 15 to 30 minutes before further use. Transfer the soaked lentils into a pressure cooker and add 2 cup of water into it. Further add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 2 to 3 green chilli finely chopped. Now close this with a lid and pressure cook this for minimum 2 to 3 whistles in medium to high flame. Once the pressure has gone down, open the pressure cooker and mix the dal well and add 2 cup of water into it. Mix this well and make sure there are no lumps and it's flowy in consistency as shown in the video. Next, take another thick bottom vessel and into that add 1 tablespoon of homemade ghee, 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Next, into this add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and same amount of ginger and saute this and cook until they turn golden brown or aromatic. Now add 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion into this and saute this and cook until the onions turn soft and translucent. Once the onion is cooked well, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped tomato into this. Now saute and cook this as well until the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of dry red chili powder, a pinch of asafoetida powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kasturi methi. Make sure to crush and add the kasturi methi. And finally into this add salt as per taste and saute this and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes in low to medium flame. Once your masala is cooked well, now into this add the previously cooked dal and mix everything well. Now allow this to boil and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes in low to medium flame. In the meantime, take a pan to prepare the tempering and into that add 2 tablespoons of homemade ghee, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, around 3 to 4 Kashmiri dry red chili and a handful of curry leaf, and finally add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri dry red chili powder. Now your delicious tadka or tempering is ready. Now garnish your dal with some freshly chopped coriander leaf and add the prepared tadka or tempering into it. Now your delicious dal tadka is ready. This can be had as a side dish along with rice, chapati, roti or even naan. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.